To stay updated with all the awesome tech we review, hit the subscribe button. Today, we are here to review Soundpeats TrueCapsule Wireless Earbuds. Let's first talk about how this product got my attention. With such a great hype in the market for true wireless earbuds, I also wanted to get one. These got my attention as they were of affordable price and the reviews on the internet were amazing. These earphones were the perfect design for me as I prefer long earbuds that can settle easily in my turban. I saw a few video reviews and they all suggested they were the best bang for buck at 2000 rupees or merely $30. And I went for these. But my experience was a little different while testing them out. These earbuds come in a charging case with 3 pairs of ear tips, a micro USB charging cable, a booklet for instruction, and some warranty information. The very first thing which appeals the most is that these have touch controls. They have quite smartly tried to reduce the accidental touch by making all actions work at double tap or more. Sadly, you cannot adjust volume, but you can take or end calls, play or pause music, and you can change tracks as well. I would not say these touch controls are the best, but you can say they are decent for the price. The quality of earbuds and the charging case seems to be of really good quality and you would not feel cheated. Let's now talk about pairing. The moment you open these earbuds, you have to take them out at nearly same time and they pair with each other within a few seconds. And then they get into pairing mode. Another nice feature is that they have a little voice that tells you when it powers on, off, gets into pairing mode, connects or disconnects from the device. Pairing seemed pretty simple, and even if you get stuck, you can reset them by touching these for 10 seconds while in charging case. That worked for me. I did not go for a rigorous battery test, but these kept running for at least 3 hours without putting them back in charging case. I would say it's pretty decent. Let's now talk about the one thing for which you're here. The voice quality. Most of the reviews I saw promised them to be the best, and even Apple Airpods competitor. Personally, I did not get the feel. Do not get me wrong, the voice quality is decent. You will feel the bass quite thumping, but the clarity of vocals matter. I feel the voice quality has been compensated with bass. But at this price, we cannot expect much. So I would say the voice quality is what you paid for. Secondly, these ear tips are of subpar quality. They do not fall off easily, but they get displaced, which causes discomfort. I tried changing the size and it did not work. I even tried to use ear tips provided with AKG earphones, which gave it a great grip in my ears. But that made it not fit perfectly in the charging box, so that idea failed. Let's now talk about microphone quality. These earphones promise a high definition microphone, which should give you a great call clarity. This feature is more of a hit or miss. The very first time I tried it in a quiet room, and the other person on the call did not face any issue with my voice. The second time I got the feedback that my voice was echoing a lot. I tried this in outdoor conditions and the feedback was not that great. I understand that we are all looking to stay updated in tech by going for true wireless earbuds. But are you willing to sacrifice the voice quality, call taking ability, and ease of button control just for the sake of going true wireless? If you're just looking for true wireless earbuds for the sake of it, you can go ahead and purchase these. But with this all compromise, I don't think I'm ready to go completely wireless.